Making these rainbow pancakes was so much fun for me in the kitchen. Trust me, my kids jumped at them when they came back from school that afternoon. And please do continue watching if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful pancakes. Welcome back to Minister Jenny Alufa's kitchen. I'm gonna mix all the ingredients immediately, and as you can see, all the list will be in the description section below. So I just mixed everything together fast, quick. It took me like 5 minutes to make this. I just put everything into the mixer, and you can use a mixer, a hand mixer, anything you want to use. Just mix everything together. You can use it in a bowl, anything. This is the fastest way for me inside the blender. I mixed it together and it was smooth, and that was it. So the creating part, the decoration part, the colorful part is this. I divided it into 7 equal parts, and I applied my different colors. I was having 3 colors: yellow, blue, and red. And I started making other colors by combining 2 of the colors together. And the last one, I mixed the 3 colors together, and that was just it. Please hit the like button if you like what you're seeing. And if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever I upload your malicious videos like this. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you all my members, and thank you all for your support and your love. Right away after mixing everything, I'm just going to apply a little oil in the pan. Make the size the way you want. I really wanted it to be fluffy, like thick, okay, because of the color. That is the ones that my kids enjoy most. They don't like the very thin one. They like the ones that are thick, like fluffy. You see the way it's rising? That is the way they like it, and that is the way I made it for them. So any style is good, okay? Pancakes are pancakes, right? But this one, what just made it a bit different was just this color that day. I just felt like making something fun in the kitchen. And this particular recipe, I got it from CCME, one of my best Nigerian food vlogger. Yes, she made this, and I was kind of, wow, really, CCME? So I'm gonna try this out, and I did it, and my kids loved it, and I filmed it, and I said, let me share it with you and see how to make this very quick and fast. The recipe is very easy. So that was how I made all of it, the different colors, and it came out so well. And you know, with kids, they love colors a lot, and they enjoyed eating this pancakes. So this is it. Feel free to check many other of my recipes, and try to check other of my cake recipes or my baking recipes and other recipes as well on my channel, and every other videos as well. You can also check them out. And this was a very quick recipe. It will take you like 5 minutes. Let's say everything plus the frying and everything, let's say 10 minutes, you're done. So this is the recipe, and we are done with everything. It came out so well and beautiful, and it was so tasty. Like, it tasted so well. You can use this with any syrup you want. My kids love it with jam or with chocolate. Yes, they love it. So they just put it inside and they will just eat it. So thank you so much for watching. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye bye.